Hello students, I am Sneha from IMS Venturi and today we'll be discussing upon an important point of part-time opportunities for students in Australia. Now let's explore the high-paying part-time jobs available in Australia. For international students in Australia seeking high-paying part-time work, several attractive options stands out. Aged care workers can earn up to 35 AUD per hour, making it one of the most lucrative roles. Delivery drivers and personal tutors both receive 20.33 AUD per hour, offering flexible and decent pay. Sales representative and admin executive can earn up to 30 AUD per hour, while oral hygienist can make up to 32 AUD per hour, reflecting the specialized nature of the job. Customer service role pay up to 26 AUD per hour and secretaries earn up to 25 AUD per hour. Personal trainers can also make up to 25 AUD per hour and waiters can earn up to 24 AUD per hour plus tips, potentially increasing the earnings significantly. Each of these positions provides a visible way for international students to support themselves while studying in Australia. Now we'll see the average paying part-time jobs in Australia for international students that can be benefited. For international students in Australia seeking part-time employment, several roles offer competitive pay and flexible hours. Tutoring is a popular choice, allowing students to leverage their academic strength while earning a good income. Working as a waiter provides opportunities to engage with people and offer comes with tips that boost earning. Caretaking or babysitting offers a chance to work in a more personalized setting, making it a rewarding option. For those interested in fitness, being a personal trainer can be both profitable and fulfilling, especially if you have a relevant qualification. Additionally, customer service representative roles are prevalent, offering steady hours and a chance to develop valuable communication skills. Each of these positions provide a practical way for international students to support themselves while studying in Australia. Now coming to how to find part-time jobs in Australia. Finding part-time jobs in Australia can be approached through several effective methods. First, leverage your social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn to discover job openings, as these platforms often feature posts about available positions. Additionally, word of mouth can be invaluable. Speaking with friends, university alumni, and acquaintances can yield information about job openings and potential referrals. Job portals specific to Australia, such as Indeed, Zora, Seek, are crucial resources. Register on these sites and regularly check for new listings. It's also a good idea to explore local businesses in your area. Visiting them in person and contacting them directly uncover hidden job openings. Lastly, don't overlook your university's network. Reach out to your friends, alumni, professors who might have leads or job openings related to your field of interest. Thank you so much. That was all from my side regarding the part-time jobs available in Australia. If you want more detailed video about any other country, please do comment below, or you can reach out to us following the below link for IMS Venturi. Thank you so much.